Lieutenant Jim Browning, retired, Blue Blood Brotherhood. Just wanted to take a couple minutes and say a few things about this George Floyd incident again. I'd made a video the other day, got some real positive response. People waiting until all the facts come in, waiting to see the evidence. A couple things that I want to run past out there real quick, and I'm not sure that people are talking about it or even said anything about it. The video itself with the officer and his knee on Mr. Floyd's neck is disgusting. But I want to throw something out there. What if that's not what killed him? I don't know how many of you out there are listening, but I can tell you from my own experience, when I've approached people and they have drugs, sometimes they ingest them. Now, I'm not saying that Mr. Floyd ingested drugs. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying that that's a possibility that we need to be prepared for. This officer may not even be responsible for the death of Mr. Floyd. It just is very poor police training and the fact that the officer is just an ass clown. But he may not have done that. If Mr. Floyd ingested drugs, the signs and symptoms are there. His nosebleed, the fact that he had abdomen pains, the fact that he had back pains, and the fact that he was talking are things that are concern of mine. When you are choking someone or they're suffocating, it's very difficult for them to speak. Mr. Floyd wasn't having any difficulty speaking, crying for help, saying he couldn't breathe, saying he had issues. Again, the officer should have rendered first aid and tried to help Mr. Floyd, but he fell short. I think it's a shame that the community is being burnt down around us and that it's all over something that we don't even know what happened yet. Please, please, stop what you're doing. Let the court of justice lay out all the evidence. Let's not fight this in the court of opinion. Thank you very much.